Why do you travel? My favorite thing to explore is food. Join me, Kate Hardie-Buckley, as I take on a challenge from a local chef to find the best ingredients for a very special dinner. I'm in Kuala Lumpur, a cultural melting pot, a city that blends the flavors of Malay, Chinese, and Indian cuisine. And I'm here to meet two chefs with a very special connection. Hi, ladies. Siti Kader and Shareen Ramli are stepmom and daughter. Having both lost their mothers at the same time, they connected sharing memories of Malay recipes they grew up eating.
Can you smell something really strong right now? No one knows KL well until you meet the king of fruit.
I recognize this.
You can't smell it?
I think it smells delicious.
Really?
Yeah. So the ladies have taken me to a food stall to try the infamous durian. It's a divisive fruit. You either love it or you hate it. I think I'm gonna like it. Wow, not my thing.
You would think, it smells so sweet.
That is a deceptive fruit. In a country with so many different Asian cultures and flavors, Siti and Shareen opened a restaurant that's set on preserving Malay heritage. And the dish we'll be preparing together is a classic.
We're going to make one of our signature at the restaurant and one of the best seller, asam pedas.
An important part of the asam pedas is the fish.
Okay.
You have to get
Everything.
some snappers.
And what's my second ingredient?
The torch ginger,
Torch ginger.
kaffir lime leaves,
Lemongrass.
and if you can find some red chilies, that would be great.
Bring it on, the rest of it.
Well, it's not over yet. We've only just started.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about as well. Kuala Lumpur has a population of 2 million people, and at night many households flock to the night markets. So I'm looking for daun kesem. My main ingredient challenge is taking me to the village of Kuala Selangor, to the fish co-op Siti and Shareen often use. Amazing. Yes, one please. It was actually almost too beautiful to eat.
Kalau sayang nak makan, ya simpan dia dalam peti buat hiasan.
Time for my cooking lesson at Siti Li Dining, where Siti and Shareen take their customers on a trip down memory lane.
Welcome to Siti Li.
Thank you, it's gorgeous.
Okay.
I'm scared to show you this.
Yeah,
This is lemongrass.
great. So fresh. Yeah, you got this right.
This is going to be absolutely beautiful.
The reason why we choose asam pedas is we feel connected, and she told me that it's like how her mom prepared the asam pedas.
Should I be jumping up and down now?
Siti and Shareen believe a lot of their customers have forgotten what real Malay food tastes like. I guess what you're essentially doing is rebuilding that community.
Yeah, community. Yeah. We realize that people appreciate because it brings them back to where they are. You know, like this is real food.
You can taste the lemongrass in that. That's delicious. This is the antithesis of the durian experience. Thank you so much. This is such a colorful, healthy, wonderful-looking feast. Thank you. I've loved meeting Siti and Shareen and finding out why and how they're preserving Malay cuisine. And even though I'm halfway across the world, their bond, their humor, and their approach to food makes me feel right at home.